Alright guys, so I'm doing a review of this Triscuit. This is the avocado and lime. I saw this as like a new flavor, so I picked it up. It is non-GMO. It was on sale, so there we go. No artificial flavors and colors. Here's the nutrient panel. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. So it does contain wheat, so be aware of that. But yeah, let's open this up and do a quick taste test. Alright, so there we go. That's what it looks like. You can see the seasoning right on that. Let's try it out. It's got a spicy profile to it. Well, I don't taste much of the avocado. You get more of a tomato and a spicy, like jalapeno taste. As you can see right there, there's jalapeno. So it's more sort of, think of it like a tomato and jalapeno. Yeah, definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.